So I'm gonna show you guys how we make super mix. What you need is a xenograft. We need some bone grafted from the patient. You see it's here. This is a bone scraper. And you need some PRF. And we made that from the patient's blood. You see, I made only 2. This one I'm gonna keep because I'm gonna use it as a membrane in the mouth of the patient where I'm grafting. But this one I'm gonna take and use in the super mix. Okay? And also all this fluid is something I just do it like that. And like this, and I pour this mix over here. Like that. So, and when I've done that, I take my xenograft and I pour it over here into the mix, into the fluid, sorry, and I mix it around. I just use whatever, like that. And after that, I take my bone, which I grafted, and pour it into the mix. And the best way to mix this is to use like this. I'm just gonna show you guys. Come over so they can see better. Yeah, I just mix it like this. Try to like get the bone and the xenograft. So I always try to have 50-50, 50 xenograft, 50 patients on bone. Yeah. So, and the last part of the super mix, I take the membrane I used here. You can, and I take it over here and I just take it apart from each other and then mix it like this. I also go in and can we get some light here so they can see the mix better, like this. Oh, that's too much. Oh yeah, that's perfect, is it? Yeah. So you can see we mix everything, all of the 3 components together like that, and I do a shower like this. I don't like, just take away the smoke. Here we go. And this is the super mix I'm going to use later in the patient. Perfect. Xenograft, patient's own bone, and a PRF membrane, which I take apart from it and put it in the mix and put it in the patient's mouth. This is just some small blood gold. I just removed that. You could do that before also. So now it's ready. I'll show you later how we use this.